Hi there! If you have a sandblasting tank like this and you use a compressor of 10 horsepower or less, you don't have to do anything as long as you use fine-grained sand. If you use coarse-grained sand, you may have to change the mixing valve. You can see it in the corner. Even though the new one doesn't look much bigger than the old one, but internally it's a huge difference. But before we go any further, let's do a test run with this setup. This is the compressor I'm going to use in the test run. This compressor is very popular in Norway because it gives you most bang for the bucks. It has a 3 horsepower motor, 2 cylinders and a 50-liter tank. It gives you around 300 liters per minute or around 11 CFM. This is what you will need. You will need a 3/4 inch blast hose. You will need some 3/4 inch valves. You will need a new air filter. And you will have to make a new air inlet. I made one by myself, but you can also use some cross fitting and some reducer fittings instead. This is the final product. The blasting tank will cost you $200. The improvements will cost you around $200. So in total it will cost you around $400. It means for $400 you get a blasting tank that's almost as good as one for $5,000. This is the tank seen from beneath. I changed the mixing valve. I used 3/4 inch pipe fittings. I changed the valve and I drilled a bigger hole between the valve and the tank. This is the two compressors I'm going to use during the test run. Combined they have 15 horsepower, and with the 3 horsepower I have 18 horsepower. They will give close to 2000 liters per minute or around 70 cfm.